Well, let's now take you to the nation's capital, Abuja, where the Supreme Court is hearing an application which is asking it to review its judgment which nullified the victory of a candidate of the APC in the 2019 general elections in Zamfara State. It's been quite a while coming, and let's join our correspondent Kayla Megwa to give us an update of what is exactly happening and what to expect in the coming hours. Good morning, Kayla.
Hi, Kayode. Okay, so as many people may have heard, the Supreme Court has reserved judgment on the Zamfara matter. And just a bit of a review as to, how this all started. Remember, the Supreme Court actually ruled that there were no primaries for the All Progressives Congress, and as a result of that, they were not qualified to, take part in any of the elections, whether it was the State Assembly, the National Assembly, or the governorship election. So basically, Zamfara State lost out on everything during the elections. However, the application that is being brought in by Mr. J.P. Clark is asking that they review that judgment, actually challenging the jurisdiction of that particular court to make a ruling on the matter. Well, Mr. Michael Zekome, who's on the side of Mr. Marafa and others, is saying that that's impossible. He's saying they would have to review the Constitution for them to be able to get what it is that they want. That's for the APC politicians who have been around the Supreme Court all day, actually hoping to hear what the Supreme Court has to say on the matter. But the case has been adjourned. The Supreme Court said they are reserving judgment and that they would communicate a date when that particular judgment will be given. So we'll be waiting to see how that happens. But just so you understand what the background is here, the APC losing out on all of the seats, State Assembly, National Assembly, and the governorship election. And they're asking for a review of that. Of course, all the politicians there asking for a review of that, of course, with Mr. Former Governor Yari as well. But of course, with Mr. Michael Zekome saying this is not going to be possible. So we'll be waiting to hear the Supreme Court rules on this one and see what happens in the days to come, Kayode.
All right, thank you very much, Kayla. Please get back to us when you have it.